Well, the first thing I'm going to go over is sampling. Sampling is probably can be one of the trickiest, but definitely one of the best and most important parts of a lo-fi song. So first, make sure you have the songs that you want to use uploaded to iCloud already through the Documents app, like I showed you, and then then create new document. Alchemy Synth, I'll go over that really quickly. They're not bad, and having seen it change since like 2014, it's definitely added a lot more and better sounding keyboards and things like that. But still, for the most part, I find them kind of hard to use as far as when you want to get something down that sounds like original or not so generic. So just to show you really quick, this little blue knob in the very top right, that takes you to these different presets here, these ones. And then so there's these 8 different presets for the same keyboard on anything you choose. So there's like and those are fine. And then they have some decent pads too. It's like yeah. So for me, anyways, I don't really use these at all anymore. But you can definitely use them and get something good sounding out of it.